Hi folks, it's Bill Harrison here. I'm the CEO and founder of Frontera Software. We make the Emma union management platform. And I wanted to talk a little bit today about some of our motivations for building Emma and some of the things that we wanted to put in the product that we think make it unique and a unique value proposition for union locals. Our first motivation when we built Emma was building a product that was mobile first. We wanted union reps in the field to be able to take a mobile computer of some sort, a tablet or a laptop, into the field and interact with members, be able to update their contact information, or more importantly, sign them up as new members. We felt that by accelerating the sign-up process, by making it electronic and by making it mobile and going to the member to get them to sign up, that union membership would increase. And in fact, that has been the case with the locals that are using Emma for that purpose. So a big piece of us building Emma in the first place was to give a mobile tool to union reps in the field so they could look up member information, update member information, and quickly and efficiently sign up new members, whether inside the application or using a website on the member's phone or other mobile device. A second major motivation for Emma, and a focused design principle for the application, is that it's based on one database. There's one database with all member information, accounting information, grievance information. So there's one source of truth for everything going on inside the local. No need to have multiple systems with multiple databases or sync information between databases. With Emma, there's just one source of truth, one set of data, and it feeds all of the capabilities. We think this is not only more efficient, but also more accurate, because now the gold standard, the most accurate data about your membership is always going to be in Emma, and that makes things much easier, whether it be servicing members in the field or running reports in the back office on accounting or other aspects of your local. The third aspect of Emma that we thought was important was making the product software as a service. In other words, it's a hosted application that you access through a web browser rather than software you have to install on a server in your office. We wanted to eliminate the requirement that unions contract with IT vendors and purchase expensive servers and maintain infrastructure. We wanted to provide a tool that allowed you to focus on your members and focus on running your local rather than administering databases and keeping software updated and running. The advantage of this is that because Emma is software as a service, you automatically get new updates, bug fixes, and enhancements on a monthly, if not weekly basis. And these are all included in the price of Emma. You pay one simple monthly fee and you get everything. You get the software, you get all of the hosting and support and data management and backups, as well as enhancements and new features as they're released into the product. That way, your software is always up to date, secure with the latest security patches, and just modern and functional. We saw a lot of other products out there in the market that were built on an old model of software being installed on a server. And the problem with this is it becomes out of date pretty quickly. Sometimes years go by before software is upgraded, and it becomes difficult to manage. Sometimes security becomes an issue because patches and new security releases are not being installed. And also, it's just doesn't look modern, right? It's not taking advantage of modern technology. With Emma and with a SaaS approach, we can constantly enhance the software, constantly make it new, make it more modern, and keep it up to date for you. So you'll never have surprise upgrades or major expenses to keep your software up to date. You have one monthly fee, everything is included, and the software will always be up to date and accurate. A fourth design constraint for us we wanted to take with Emma to make the software as functional as possible is to build a platform that was comprehensive for the local. In other words, we wanted software that would manage all of the major functions that are performed inside of a union local. We saw systems that were membership systems or grievance systems or even accounting systems, but what we decided to do was to build all of those capabilities into one platform and to allow them to be purchased as modules so that locals can use whatever portions of Emma they want, or start with one portion of the product and add additional modules later. By being a comprehensive platform with all of the major features included and being built on top of a single database. We feel that Emma offers the best combination of full-featured capability, but with ease of management and always ensuring that your data is accurate because there's simply one database with one source of truth for all the information. So there's a little bit about why we build Emma the way we did, about 4 of the guiding design principles that we've always kept in mind as we've built the product and as it's evolved. I hope you find it helpful. We always like to show you a little bit behind the scenes of our thinking on what we like to build and how we build it with Emma. If you'd like to learn more, click in the description below to come through to our website. Give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about Emma if you're not familiar with it, or set up a demo if you're a new prospective customer. Thanks so much. Appreciate it.